This is the temple of Puri, Jagannath temple. It is very famous surrounding the India, our country, and many people have come and they have been waiting for their relatives. Maybe their relatives or family members had gone there inside the temple, but there is one condition: if anyone wants to go, they have to remain. They have to put their mobile phone, their other equipments, important equipments, to particular place before entering the temple. So for this condition, I did not go. I did not go inside the temple. Instead that, I am really happy to take these kinds of photos, videos surrounding this temple. Okay, this is why I am taking photos now. Okay, this is the part of temple, and the art of this temple is very remarkable. The design of this temple is really outstanding, and the area of this temple ground is very huge. See, it's part of the temple. The entering part of this temple is very big. This is the font. This is the main gate of the temple, Ajodhya Puri temple. It is really very remarkable and very famous surrounding our country, and there are many people in front of this gate. Our teammates already had entered, having food there, having kept their mobile phones, other essential components before entering this temple. So I did not like to put my mobile phone and other things. This is why I did not enter inside the temple. But it is quite inside. But I did not enter into the core of this temple. Okay, because I do not want to leave my mobile phone. So it is really very remarkable temple. And you know very well, when this Rath Yatra festival comes, that time how many people gather here. So such kinds of panoramic view I want to give you surrounding this temple. Okay, it is really very crazy, all the people to come here. This is the back side of this temple. Many people are still walking and they want to give the another shape and very attractive shape of this temple. Really very gorgeous look and architecture of this beautiful temple. Now I am to go the opposite side of this temple. Let's see what is there and how comes its gorgeous look from back side of this temple. So if we compare with Digha, this Puri, okay, the Puri is better than Digha still now. I think it will later, our Digha will be very improved, and already one temple of Jagannath temple actually is going to inaugurate by our CM in the month of next month. Okay, many people they are walking still now. So I'm entering now inside the temple. There is one crazy man. He is talking himself. Very cool place. Oh, it's really looking gorgeous. It seems that I have come to book fair, Kolkata book fair, like that. I'm thinking. It's very interesting. There is one gate, okay, inside this temple area. Jagannath Puri, Jagannath Dham. Huge area. All the people are walking in this complex area. Here thousands of pilgrims can all together pray, such we do in the time of chariot festival. Huge area. Here thousands or lakhs people can do pray for this god, especially in the time of chariot festival, Rath Yatra. So now I am its corridor. Okay, huge. As it seems that it is Lal Killa. Huge area. A wonderful place. This is why Puri is very famous. This religious purpose. It looks gorgeous now from here. Now there is sun, so it looks really gorgeous from here. Really gorgeous. All the temples, the crest of temples, the peak of temples already had seen from here. This place is very unique. All the people are waiting here. It looks really gorgeous. The sun is going to set now in the west, and this temple is looking gorgeous. Spectacular view from here. All the crest, all the peak of this temple you can see. Thousands of people have come here. It looks really gorgeous from here. Awesome views coming from here.